In a world full of new language apps, the big question is, does Rosetta Stone's dynamic immersion approach still hold up in 2026? So I'm going to quickly run down how the Rosetta Stone app works. The program is built on its dynamic immersion method, focusing on associating words with pictures and sounds without English instruction. Their Spanish program is made up of 20 language learning units, each with 4 core lessons that take about half an hour to complete. These core lessons are simple picture-based exercises where you match a word or a phrase to an image. After the core lesson, you apply what you learned through writing, vocabulary, listening, and speaking drills, with a big milestone exercise toward the end. They also have lots of supplemental tools like audio companions, phrase books, short video lessons, and stories. These extras really help round out their program. Rosetta Stone subscription options are pretty affordable. The cost is around $14 to $15 per month, or $400 if you go for the lifetime subscription. However, you'll usually find discounts with their lifetime package, which includes all of the languages that they offer, not just Spanish. This makes them very competitive with programs like Babbel, which after discounts ranges from $8 to $15 monthly, or $300 for their lifetime plan. We keep the description updated with the latest promos out there, so be sure to check that out. Now let's dive into the positives for Rosetta Stone. And we're starting with what we think is the biggest and best feature. They're visually oriented lessons. Your core lessons you complete every day will always include images, whether you're matching a word to an image or speaking a phrase. This picture-based dynamic immersion approach is very effective for learners who thrive on visual cues rather than the usual text-based approaches of other apps. For us, this approach encouraged critical thinking and made lessons very interactive. A big part of learning a language is speaking, and having technology that can measure your pronunciation is a huge plus. Rosetta Stone's True Accent software is fast, accurate, and user-friendly. We're big proponents of listening and speaking when you're learning another language, and we were very impressed with how True Accent weaves speaking exercises into the learning process. Finally, we want to highlight Rosetta Stone's focus on immersive learning. Of all the drill-based language programs we've tested, we have to give Rosetta Stone credit for how their program simulates the language development process. Their dynamic immersion approach, which minimizes English instruction, is well grounded in the linguistic principle that we naturally acquire grammar rules through exposure and experience with the language. While this method can be challenging at first, it could accelerate the language acquisition process, especially for those hoping to move into an intermediate level. Now that we've touched on the positives, let's turn the tables and discuss some of the cons of using Rosetta Stone to learn Spanish. The first downside is the basic nature of Rosetta Stone's speaking exercises. I've noticed the speaking exercises are very repetitive and don't seem to progress much beyond a beginner level. These drills often lack real-world context, which is crucial for learning to use the language in actual conversations. Since it's a lot of repetitive drilling without context, learners will struggle to understand how words and phrases are used in different situations and to transition into real-world use. The only other negative I want to highlight has to do with the lack of direct grammar instruction. The dynamic immersion method relies on you naturally acquiring grammar, but for some learners, this is a drawback. If you prefer clear, direct, and easily digestible grammar instruction, a program like Rocket Spanish might be more suitable for you. Proponents of Rosetta Stone would argue that focusing on memorizing rules can hinder intuitive development, but the choice ultimately depends on your individual preference. Okay, time to the final verdict. Is Rosetta Stone actually worth it? After testing and reviewing the program, we think the answer is that it depends on your objectives and preferred learning approach. If you're more of an auditory learner or you prefer learning with readily accessible English translations, then Rosetta Stone may not be a good fit for you. However, if you are an active visual learner who appreciates an immersive environment that encourages critical thinking, then Rosetta Stone is an excellent choice. We believe it can be a great program to utilize when just starting to learn the language, or if you're hoping to develop a more intermediate level of Spanish. For a full breakdown of all the features, pricing, and our hands-on experience, check out our full written review. Just Google Guide to Fluency Rosetta Stone Spanish Review. By the way, we'll be giving away a free language learning subscription to one of our subscribers. Just check out the details down below. It's super simple to enter, just like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I have for you for now. Adios.